Adobo. Adobo is a Filipino stew made with chicken or pork. The meat is slowly simmered until tender and flavorful. Vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns form the sauce. The flavor is rich, tangy, savory, and slightly salty. Provides protein and can be high in sodium depending on preparation. Dates back to early vinegar-based preservation methods before refrigeration. Later evolved with the addition of soy sauce through trade influences. Comparable to braised meat dishes found in many cultures. Recognized as a national dish of the Philippines. Commonly eaten with rice in everyday meals. Sinigang. Sinigang is a sour Filipino soup made with pork, shrimp, or fish. Ingredients simmer in a tangy broth until fully cooked. Tamarind, vegetables, and spices create the signature sour base. The taste is sour, savory, and refreshing. Provides protein and vitamins from a variety of vegetables. Comes from native souring traditions using fruits and leaves. Later expanded with powdered mixes and alternative souring agents. Comparable to sour soups like tom yum or other Southeast Asian broths. A staple comfort dish in Filipino households. Commonly eaten hot with rice, especially during rainy weather. Lechon. Lechon is a whole roasted pig known for its crispy skin. The pig roasts slowly over charcoal on a rotating spit. Salt, herbs, and aromatics season the meat from the inside. The texture is crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Provides protein and is high in fat. Traces back to Spanish-era roasting traditions introduced during colonization. Later became a centerpiece dish in Filipino celebrations. Comparable to roasted pork dishes found worldwide. A symbol of celebration, abundance, and festivity. Commonly served during holidays, fiestas, and large gatherings. Kare-Kare. Kare-Kare is a Filipino stew made with a thick peanut-based sauce. The meat is slow cooked until tender and soft. Peanuts, vegetables, and oxtail or tripe form the base of the dish. The flavor is rich, nutty, and savory. Provides protein and fats from peanuts and meat. Has roots linked to trade influences and local cooking traditions. Later became associated with special occasions and family gatherings. Comparable to peanut stews found in other cultures. Known for its pairing with shrimp paste for added depth. Commonly served during celebrations and shared meals. Chicken Inasal. Chicken Inasal is a Filipino grilled chicken dish from the Visayas. The chicken is marinated, then grilled over charcoal. Vinegar, lemongrass, garlic, and annatto oil add flavor and color. The taste is tangy, smoky, and slightly savory. Provides protein and can be higher in fat due to basting oils. Originated in Bacolod and became regionally iconic. Later expanded through restaurants across the Philippines. Comparable to barbecue chicken dishes worldwide. Known for its bright color and aromatic profile. Commonly eaten with rice and dipping sauces. Sisig. Sisig is a Filipino dish made from chopped pork parts. The meat is grilled, chopped, and served on a hot plate. Onions, chili, and egg add texture and flavor. The taste is savory, tangy, and slightly spicy. Provides protein and is high in fat. Originated in Pampanga as a way to use leftover pork. Later evolved into a popular restaurant and bar dish. Comparable to chopped meat or sizzling plate dishes. Known for its bold flavor and texture contrast. Often served on a sizzling plate for added aroma. Commonly shared during social meals and gatherings. Bicol Express. Bicol Express is a spicy Filipino pork stew. The pork simmers slowly in a rich coconut-based sauce. Coconut milk, chili, garlic, and shrimp paste define the dish. The flavor is creamy, spicy, and savory. Provides protein and fats from coconut milk. Comes from the Bicol region, known for spicy cuisine. Later adapted in different regions with varying spice levels. Comparable to spicy coconut curries found in Southeast Asia. Known for its strong heat and creamy consistency. Often balanced with rice to reduce spiciness. Commonly eaten as a main dish. Tinola. Tinola is a Filipino chicken soup with a light broth. The chicken simmers gently until tender and soft. Ginger, green papaya, and leafy vegetables add flavor. The taste is mild, clean, and slightly savory. Provides protein and is easy to digest. Dates back to early Filipino home cooking traditions. Remains a staple comfort dish across generations. Comparable to chicken soups found worldwide. Known for its soothing and restorative qualities. Often served as a light and nourishing meal. Commonly eaten during illness or cold weather. Bulalo. Bulalo is a Filipino beef soup made with bone marrow. The beef shank simmers for hours until very tender. Corn, cabbage, and clear broth complete the dish. The flavor is rich, savory, and slightly fatty. Provides protein and collagen from bone marrow. Developed in regions known for cattle farming. Later became popular in roadside eateries and restaurants. Comparable to beef broth soups found globally. Known for its deep flavor and hearty quality. Often enjoyed in cooler weather or highland areas. Commonly eaten hot with rice. Lumpia. Lumpia is a Filipino spring roll filled with meat and vegetables. The filling is wrapped in thin pastry and fried or served fresh. Pork, shrimp, and vegetables are commonly used. The texture can be crispy or soft depending on preparation. Provides protein and carbohydrates. Influenced by Chinese spring roll traditions. Later became a staple in Filipino celebrations and gatherings. Comparable to spring rolls across Asia. Known for its versatility and wide variety of fillings. Often served with dipping sauces for added flavor. Commonly enjoyed as an appetizer or snack.